year is this? P0171. 74.
How you been, Pop?
Good, man. Yeah, last week we're all sick, like fever.
You're still coughing.
No.
You sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good. Even you sound like your voice.
It's just my voice.
Codes. Yes. 211757. That dude. This size 11. Alright, how are you gonna handle it?
Always off. What's wrong with the van? It doesn't work.
So this one I need to change the exhaust manifold, but it's close to the bulkhead. So that's gonna be hard. I have to take out the passenger tire, then the axle, then the motor mount, then I could get to it and take out the exhaust system. See how much work? We had a flat tire last night, so I had to plug the tire on that. The other one had a water pump leaking. I had to do that. Okay, Par, just turn it on. Everything clear here? Go ahead. Yeah. Right. Okay, Park, turn it off, please. Yes, right here. You see it? The crack, but on the top.
Oh shit, okay.
Just need to
So
make it cool down just a little. Alright, we got the fan. There we go.
The Pfizer or whatever,
Did you get the shot before?
It's been short hours because of the COVID-II. No hours. No, nothing. And then he has a new one now.
Oh, it goes all the way in the back. And then right here, this one right here, this one right here. Oh, this one here too. That's the coolant, dang it. Shit. All the way in the back. Can't even see it. All the way in the back, I can't see that shit. All the way in the back. Take this one out. This one comes out. Colin's sick.
How far is it from you?
Let's see. Part, you know this one?
Yeah.
For the coolant. See this part right here? It goes all the way in the back.
Oh, what the hell?
I cannot do that. You cannot see it. I have to take out all that stuff over there.
Oh,
Just
no,
to put.
it doesn't have to be replaced.
Yeah, it's not leaking. The old one's there. It's okay. Just keep this one, okay?
Okay.
That's why when I took out this part,
Yeah.
but it's actually the coolant is hot.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. Because this is the part that broke.
Okay.
This is the one that you saw the crack. Better to cut it. Cut this part. Turn this off. Right there.
Check your pinch, how come?
Yeah, this hose, check this out. This hose was laying on it like this. I think. Take this one off.
Old already?
Yeah, it's old already. Take this one off now. There you go. Good. Take this one off. Oh, oh yeah. This is already right there. Should be able to do this one. Like this. Oh, yes. Put it back in here. Push it in.
You get heat, that's why.
Now about it. Rub this one down here. There. There you go. Put some silicone on it. Make it slide in easier.
Huh?
He just calls me for car questions. Push this one in first. There we go. I think I got it. Push that in. Good. Ayos. See what happens. Yes. Put down there. Just like that. Double check everything. Here. See that? That's where it broke.
What the
Okay, I think we're good. Okay, Park, turn it on. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
With the blue jeans and black boots.
Let's pull this out. Alright, I'm gonna take it out. Rubber chrome it. Huh. We just replace it. Oh man. There we go. I got it. I got it. Here we go. Whew. That's the guy. Let me wipe it up.
I'm not gonna react myself. Oh, go away.
Yeah.
You can't see it.
Whoa.
Only the plastic. Look at the plastic one. It hit me in the mouth too.
Yeah?
It was pink powder that time. What is this? You know, it doesn't work. So I just slammed it.
Put this in.
Like, you know, put them in.
Right? No. Okay, pour. That's guarantee it's not gonna come out. Good.